Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Today we got another install video. I'm going to be putting on some aftermarket mufflers. My car doesn't have any headers, no cats. This comes all the way back to some stock mufflers right here. So I found some straight pipe mufflers. Just got a resonator on it. You look in here, can't really see much because of the sun, but straight piped, see through. It's got a resonator on it. Put that back up. And we're gonna throw it on here. Got a 2009 Cadillac CTSV. Should only be that one clamp right here. Then 3 hangers. You got 1, 2, and 3 back here. Jacked it up from the diff. Got some jacks. Should be good. I forgot to mention while doing this, you should probably use some PB blaster or WD-40 for some of the hangers, or all of the hangers, sorry. Just spray them up, let them sit for a second. That way you can slide it out real easy.